Okay, here's a PSA about Vanagon slider door handles. Okay, there it is. Okay, it's in winter time, and if you open the handle like that, and the rear doesn't, pop out, that's because the seal around there is frozen to the door, and you don't want to pull. Don't think you can pull out. Out on the handle is going to break right there. Anyway, this one here is a new handle from Van Cafe, and I put my old lock cylinder in it, so you can do that. It comes with its own key and everything, but you can put your old lock cylinder in it. I don't know about every van, but this is a 90, and I put the old lock cylinder in the new Van Cafe handle. But anyway, when your door is stuck like that, you need to, unlatch it, right? And you have to pull out on the bottom to break the ice seal. And that's how you open it. Don't pull out on the handle. Okay.